Hey guys, Mr. G here. Let's talk about how we can extrude polygons along a curve. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Create, CV Curves, use my CV Curve tool, and in my front view I'm just going to click and make a curve. Now, it's important to remember where you started your curve, and it'll give you this little box, and all the rest of them will be circles. So once I have my curve set up, I'll go ahead and create a cube here. I'm going to select the face, I'm going to select my curve, and I'm going to hit Control E to extrude along that curve. Now, I can add divisions to fill out my curve. And that is how you can extrude a polygon along a curve. Well, I hope that was helpful, and until next time, peace.